Hello friends, it's me, ya boy. So, we are deep in the bowels of pumpkin spice season, and for some reason, ya boy's been craving it. Pumpkin spice coffee to be exact. But, as you know, ya boy is also too cheap to go to a certain well-established brand of coffee house in order to get their famous pumpkin spice coffee. Ya boy is also too petulant to go out and buy a bag of flavored coffee. So, after days of research, and by research I mean drinking an absurd amount of coffee, I have come up with a preferred method that I'm going to share with you so you can learn from my mistakes.
So these are your basic pumpkin pie spices, and we're mixing them in with coffee grounds because if you just add them to pre-brewed coffee, it doesn't combine and just leaves a gritty texture. Putting all the flavors in a drip coffee maker lets the flavors bloom and meld together. This will not work with a Keurig. Coffee pod machines just don't brew well, but that's a story for a different day. Just pop in the filter and fill up your tank. As you can see, the cinnamon will stain your coffee pot much faster than a normal brew. Make sure your time is correct and your timer's set, turn on auto brew, and have the smell of fresh pumpkin spice coffee help wake you up in the morning. I like mine with soy milk, and for a little extra chaotic energy, I sweeten it with maple syrup because I think it gives it a little extra fall flavor to the coffee. Please leave any of your weird tips and tricks down below, along with any questions, comments, or concerns. New videos should be up on Mondays. And like always, don't forget to like and subscribe.